Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this video, let's keep checking it along. Let me show you what I got going on today. So what we're gonna do is pretty much put all the hardware and everything we took off the parts car door onto the new one, or not the new one, the one we're actually fixing up. All right, so we are assembling this door here. I started assembling it. This is pretty much the last piece that we took off the parts car. It's pretty much the most important piece, since this is what locks the door. It closes the door, latches onto the door. When we put this, we just pretty much put it in here. After that, it's just this screw, this other screw here, 3 screws for this, 2 screws for that, and it's on. I mean, not much to it, you know. I didn't mess with anything for this part. I just pretty much uninstalled from the parts door and installed it here right away. That way we know how it goes, kind of, you know, get a feel for how everything is in there. So as you can see, that rod right there, the linkage or the link right there, that's for the door lock. The other longer one is for the door handle that goes here. Before we put anything in, I'm gonna go ahead and install this little rubber that goes in here. This is where the window sits, and the way you pretty much install this is, let's see here, I can do it. Pretty much put it upside down, have it slip on the little hole here. There you go, then flip it over and it's on there. There you go. So now it's on. Ain't going nowhere. Oh, I believe that's the old one here. Oh. Alright, so that's the old one. No, that's not the old one, that's something else. Oh. Alright, next up, we're gonna go ahead and install the interior door handle here. I went ahead and painted this bracket where it goes bolted here. Throw this link inside here. Throw this up. Put this in here. Something like that. So remember, there is a bolt that goes behind here. So let's put it on. There it is. And there's a nut. And that's up on there. These are the 4 nuts that go in here. And this bracket. And after that, we're gonna go ahead and put this rod inside here. There you go, it's connected. Now we tighten them up. Let's go ahead and connect the door handle in here. Alright. Now that we have the nuts on there in place, let's go ahead and tighten them up. I'm gonna go ahead and connect this. Where's this rod here? There you go. Gonna put this rod in. There you go. So now that it clicked in place, sure that thing works here. Alright, it's working. So for the lock, I'm actually still waiting for that part. So this is the old one, but you know, I can't use this because I don't have the key to it. So it's no real point in me, you know, installing it. We're just gonna keep on chugging along. As far as linkages go, this is pretty much the last one, and this is the door lock here. So it's pretty simple. So basically it just clips on. I won't be able to show you guys because it's very close to here. And there you go, door lock is installed. Let me see if I can show you guys through here. So I don't know if you guys can see that there. That's where it goes connected to. Right there. Holy crap. There you go. This top one over here. That top one is for the interior door handle, and the black rod coming up is the door lock. Beautiful, beautiful. Then the top rod here's the door handle right there. Just missing the door lock now. The closing mechanism should work now. The last piece of the puzzle that I needed was this piece right here. So I went ahead and took it off the parts car and just installed it right now. And I'm sure I'm gonna have to mess with it. Hopefully not a lot, but let's see if it closes here. And nope, does not close at all. So this can be due for a couple of different reasons. The door may be misaligned. It could be too forward or too backward, too high, too up. This thing, it seems to have a little bit of play, so maybe I can adjust it for wherever I need to. And I believe this here, I didn't fully tighten it up. I do know that it kind of has a little bit of adjustment, I believe. So right now what I'm gonna do is just pretty much just mess with everything so I can get it to close and stay closed. Where we at right now? So alright, so I ended up just coming in here and spraying it with some lubricant. I ended up installing the door lock, which was on the parts car door. It is definitely missing the little clip that pretty much goes on the bottom and top to lock it in place, or else it kind of just falls off. Might have just gotten stuck or something. I just tried to close it, and it looks like it goes in a little bit in too deep, but once you kind of like pull at it, once it pretty much gets to where it needs to be, it doesn't wobble, it doesn't do anything. So I mean, it's a win, right? Again, open, close, it goes in too deep, but it doesn't open, and once it latches on, it just stays there. So yeah, that's where we're at. This is definitely going to be like a 2-part series, just because of the window pieces. I am missing some pieces. I need to order some pieces, and it's gonna be a little tricky, but we'll get to that in the next videos, right? But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for future content. Obviously, what we did to this door, we didn't do it twice. It's the same exact thing. So if you can do it on one side, you can do it on the other side. And well, see you guys next time. Peace.